You've opened Binance, stared at the screen, and thought, yeah, I'll learn this later. Charts everywhere, buttons you don't understand, numbers moving too fast, and suddenly, you feel behind, like everyone else knows what they're doing except you. If that's you, don't click away, because in this video, I'll explain how Binance works for beginners. In simple words, from real experience, no hype, no pressure. Curiosity shift. And by the end, you'll realize Binance isn't confusing. It's just unfamiliar. First, what is Binance? Let's strip it down. Binance is a crypto exchange. That means it's a place where you buy crypto, sell crypto, store crypto. Think of it like a digital marketplace. Just like Amazon sells products, Binance sells cryptocurrencies. That's it. Why people feel overwhelmed? Here's the truth. Binance isn't hard. It's just packed with options. And when you're already tired, unmotivated, or doubting yourself, too many options feel like chaos. So you procrastinate. You close the app. You tell yourself, I'll learn tomorrow. We've all done that. How Binance actually works, step by step. Let's break it down into small, calm steps. Step 1. Create an account. You sign up with email, password, verification. This matters because Binance follows security rules. It protects your money, not slows you down. Step 2. Add money. You can add money using bank transfer, card, P2P, person to person. Why this matters? You don't need thousands of dollars. You can start small. Even learning with a tiny amount builds confidence. Mini curiosity loop. Now here's where most beginners get stuck. Step 3. Buying your first crypto. Let's keep it simple. You choose a coin like Bitcoin or BNB. You click buy. You enter the amount. You confirm. That's it. No trading skills needed. No charts required. Advanced stuff can wait. What about the charts and trading? This is important. You do not need to trade to use Binance. Trading is optional. Learning is not. Many beginners lose motivation because they jump too fast. Slow is smart. Understanding first saves money later. Where is your crypto stored? When you buy crypto on Binance, it goes into your Binance wallet. Think of it like your digital pocket. You can hold it, send it, exchange it later. Why this matters? Knowing where your money lives removes fear. Fear comes from confusion. Emotional shift, feeling behind. Let me say this clearly. You are not late. You are not stupid. You are just early in your learning phase. Everyone you see confident on Binance once felt exactly like you do now. They didn't rush. They stayed curious. Simple beginner rules, very important. Remember these. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Don't follow hype blindly. Don't compare your journey. Why? Because Binance is a tool. Tools don't make you rich. Skills and patience do. Quick recap. Let's recap. Binance is a place to buy and sell crypto. You create an account and add funds. You can buy crypto in just a few clicks. Trading is optional, learning is essential. Start small, stay calm, stay consistent. Closing motivation and call to action. Here's your challenge. Tonight, open Binance again. Not to trade. Not to rush. Just explore for 5 minutes. Click. Read. Observe. Confidence comes from familiarity. One small step today beats panic tomorrow. If you're learning, you're already winning. Let's grow together, one step at a time.